Hello students, welcome to online study of Vidyabhushan English Primary School, Daisar East, Standard 2nd, Subject Computer, Chapter number 1, What is a Computer? Introductions. In this class, we will learn about a computer and its parts, features of a computer, and differences between computer and human being. So, what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine and it is made by human. It is made up of different parts like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, and speakers. Let's study parts of computer. First is monitor, second is keyboard, third is mouse, fourth is CPU, fifth is printer, and sixth is speakers. These all are parts of computer. Let's study the features of a computer. Feature means quality. So features of a computer are it work very fast, it does not make mistakes, it make our work very easy, it can remember many things, it does not get tired even if it work for a long time, it can do big calculation very fast. Because computer have this quality, that's why we are using computer in our day-to-day life. Study about differences between computer and human beings. Computer, humans. It work very fast and it make our work very easy. Here we are using it for computer. They cannot work fast. Here we are using they for humans. Computer work very fast and make our work very easy because it is a machine. Humans cannot work fast compared to computer because humans are not machines. It can remember many things. They cannot remember many things. Computer can store data in very large quantity, but humans cannot do that. It can do big calculation very fast. They cannot do big calculation very fast. Computer program in a such a way that it can do big calculation very fast compared to human beings. Human cannot do big calculation very fast. It does not get tired even if it work for a long time. They get tired if they work for a long time. Compared to humans, computer not get tired even if it work for a long time because it is a machine and working on electricity. It does not make mistakes. They can make mistakes. Computer program in a such a way that it gives accurate work and human can make mistakes. It cannot think. They can think. Human has a brain, so they can think and they made computer machines. Now let's revise about differences between computer and human beings. Computer, human beings. It work very fast and make our work very easy. They cannot work fast. It can remember many things. They cannot remember many things. It can do big calculation very fast. They cannot do big calculation very fast. It does not get tired even if it work for a long time. They get tired if they work for a long time. It does not make mistakes. They can make mistakes. It cannot think. They can think. So we came to know the differences between computer and human beings. Now you know about computer and its parts, features of a computer, differences between computer and human being. Thank you.